What's up everybody, welcome back to Electronics Wheel, and today we'll be taking a look at the Soracom IoT starter kit and how to register up your Soracom SIM card and use it for data management purposes. So let's open up this thing and see what all is in there. And I have already opened up this thing, and there is a starter kit card. You will get also a Soracom SIM card. I have taken it out and I have plugged it in my broadband, and you also get a Raspberry Pi Zero, which is in this case. You will get a Huawei MS2131 USB stick, which is mobile broadband plus HSPA. Then you'll get extra pair of cases. These are official cases from the Raspberry Pi Zero. You will get a card reader for burning your SD card images. You will get a USB type cable and some projects over here. You get some projects for to plug in your ultrasonic sensor and transfer the data to cloud. You will get a LED. You'll also get an OTG for connecting your mobile broadband to the Raspberry Pi Zero and activating it. So my SIM is already activated. We just need to take a look at how to register it up in their Soracom user console. So the Soracom IoT kit, they have powerful user console, API, and cloud integration services, so we can manage our devices, data, and connections, and take advantage of cloud services with saving bandwidth and power. So you don't need any Bluetooth or any other connection. You can just plug in your Soracom IoT SIM card to the Huawei USB stick and plug in it into your Raspberry Pi Zero for managing your data, such as home security. If any intruder comes in your home, you can plug in your webcam and detect faces, and if there's any blacklist face is found, this thing can communicate with the Amazon through this Soracom internet connection. So when you buy the SIM, you will also get a credit of $10, but I have added extra $20, and I have now $30 in my Soracom account, so I can transfer up to large files also, like photos, images, and all. So let's see how to get started. So before getting started with the Soracom user console and registering your SIM, we need to do some configurations with the mobile broadband. First of all, you need to remember your SSID and your PUK numeric code that is over here, and you also need your Huawei or any other mobile broadbands or HSPA sticks. So what you're going to do is that open up this tray in the Huawei mobile broadband, and you need to also have your SIM up. So once you taken your SIM, you just need to insert that to the mobile broadband. So let's do that. So here we have inserted our SIM to the mobile broadband. Now let's close it up and see how to get started with the user console. Alright everyone, so now we'll be going to use the Soracom Air Global SIM card with the Huawei 3G USB modem. So as you can see here, we have the PuTTY configuration tool open up. First, we need to make sure that we have an IP address or host name of the Raspberry Pi, and next we are going to use the host name or the IP address to SSH into the Raspberry Pi. So we'll SSH into the Raspberry Pi using our name, using our IP address or host name. So the default login name is Pi and the default password is Raspberry. So let's yeah, we have the SSH. We have SSH'd into the Raspberry Pi.
Now we need to install drivers that is essential for running the Huawei 3G USB modem. So we have some command scripts or sort of that stuff for doing that. So let's type in sudo curl https Soracom files, and this is in the Amazon server, as you can see. Let's do that and let it. Okay, it's done. So next we need to modify the file property so that we can run our setup scripts at all. So sudo chmod. Okay, and it's done. And next we need to run the setup script. So let's sudo setup.sh, and it's installing the packages and doing all of that stuff. So let's wait some minutes for that. So we have successfully installed all the drivers, and I have plugged in my Huawei 3G USB modem, and it has detected and given some tips and some things that you can read. So basically this is the end of the how to get started with the Soracom complete starter kit. In the next video I will be posting about using the provided ultrasonic sensor and using a Python script to detect the distance using the ultrasonic sensor. So if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.